Hello people, how are you doing? Hope all of you are doing great. Well, I'm not doing that great because I was so looking forward to meeting my children in school. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. And this got me thinking about how my children must be coping at home, away from their friends, away from co curricular activities, hooked on to the gadgets, doing their online classes for almost 2 years now. I have a kid at home, and with the passage of time, I find that the duration of her screen time is also gradually increasing. So, now what do I do to engage her productively? And this video is not only for parents but also for you wise children who feel that you are addicted to the different devices, different gadgets, and you want to reduce your screen time. So let's watch this video till the end to learn a few tips regarding reducing the screen time and to engage children productively. Keep watching. Since kids are at home all day, the task of keeping it clean is a tough one for mothers. And if the mothers are also working women, then it becomes a Herculean task. So engage kids in tidying up their space, organize their bed, or clean out the trash. This one is busy with the chilies, her own idea to wrap a plastic around her hand to keep safe. She also helps me in folding the clothes. If you engage smaller children to fold clothes according to color, they are excited in helping out. One has to keep finding novel ways to engage the little ones. Children need to remain active throughout the day. They have a lot of energy which needs to be channelized, and outdoor play allows them to get fresh air. It also stimulates all the senses. Outdoor activities help not only in their physical health but also improves their mental well-being. Although team outdoor games may not be very desirable in the given situation, but something like cycling is a safe bet. We trained her in the Maidan, and now she regularly cycles in the morning before her online classes. Cycling gives her the confidence and promotes her healthy lifestyle. Dance is her passion. This lockdown has put a halt to her lessons. So, whenever she gets an opportunity, she lets herself free. We encourage this as children learn to coordinate and control their bodily movements. It is a form of creative expression, and studies show that dance helps memory skills better. So, next time, just play your favorite music and dance your heart out. And never mind if you have two left feet like me. For the intuitive kids with a scientific bent of mind, with those who want to learn by doing, engage them with a do it yourself kit or a science educative kit, and they remain busy productively.
Today I will show a science experiment on density.
So you need 2 lines, 2 glasses of water, salt and a spoon. Here is 1 glass of water. Now I put a lime in it. See, it's sinking. I am keeping it aside for now. Here is the second glass of water. This time I put 2/4 spoon of salt. And then I stirred it. Keep the salt away. After stirring, put the second lime in it. This time it doesn't sink because of density. Here's the explanation. Lemon has higher density than water, so it sinks in pure water. But when salt is added to water, the density of water increases. When the density of salt water becomes equal to that of lemon, the lemon floats in water. Thank you.
And all your activities, and it's great to be on your program. Second time, so I know it's going to be interesting. And I've always enjoyed answering questions from children, small children, big children. Do go ahead, and here I am at your mercy.
If the kid likes reading storybooks, buy a dozen of them and keep them busy. It helps them to develop their vocabulary as well as language skills. To engage your kids at home with an activity is one thing, but productive engagement is a whole different game. It is important to check whether there is value addition in the child's online engagement or not. So allow them to participate in online programs only if it is of significant worth. Her love for reading has culminated in getting an opportunity to meet Ruskin Bond on the virtual platform. So both senior and junior was super excited to listen to the tales on The Eyes Have It and The Night Train at Deoli direct from the horse's mouth. India's greatest storyteller. If you like today's content, do give it a thumbs up. And if it benefited you, please share it with your friends. For regular updates, hit the subscribe button and be connected to Roop's life and lifestyle. Till we meet again, lots and lots of love and take care. And don't forget to stay positive, stay happy and be productive. Bye.